I should have known. I should have seen the signs.
Dad?
We had a deal!
I know we did, but that was before... it's all so messed up.
So everything in the ring, a trick, a lie.
I screwed up. I should have told you before now. Just take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless.
The dragon? That's what you're worried about? Not the people you almost killed?
He was just protecting me. He's not dangerous.
They've killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them. They defend themselves, that's all. They raid us because they have to. If they don't bring enough food back, they'll be eating themselves. There's something else on their island, Dad. It's a dragon, like...
Their island? So you've been to the nest.
Did I say nest?
How did you find it?
No, I didn't. Toothless did. Only a dragon can find the island. Oh, no, Dad, no, please. It's not what you think. You don't know what you're up against. It's like nothing you've ever seen. Dad, please. I promise you that you can't win this one. Dad, no. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You've thrown your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.